Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to play with this Redwood group.
Yes.
I bought this, I've never touched it, so it's just been like that, so the wiring's not down to me or Mick.
They've wired through the roots and just
bent
a way to
branches
try and
down
pull it
and
down,
everything.
which, like that there.
So what we're going to do is, anyone want a sycamore? Got loads of them. We're going to put it on a piece of slate so I can keep the pot and I can sell this forest later on. We're going to have to drill some holes in the slate, then take all this wire off, add some new wire, prune it down and add a bit more shape into these trees. Just the branches, pull them down and clean some of the tops off where there's like a load of clusters. So what we'll do is, I'll bring the camera over here, we'll prepare the slate slab, then we'll clean this up and we'll try and make something of it. As Scott Winard says from Let's Do Bonsai, dead wood or redwood, that's what it'll be. Well, let's get into the video. So what we're going to do is put some drainage holes in and we're going to have to add a few wire holes.
Mark
So
out your drainage holes.
And we're going to
Put a what?
something to draw on, would be nice.
Is that about the right size? Yeah, a little bit smaller. Oh.
So we've got the slab prepared. What we're going to do now is take all the wire off. There's some wire cutters out there. Okay. We're going to leave it the way it is. We're not going to rake the roots out. We're just going to clean it up, wire it, take off what we don't want. Like so, that's too low, so that can come off. This is coming towards us, so that can come off. Same with these, shorten them back. Take off all these dead bits and we'll just go from there. Like all these up here where there's loads of it, we'll decide which one we want and take one off. Like I say, we're not going to rake the roots out because it's popping now, so it'll basically be a slip pot onto the slab once we've cleaned it all up and done what we want to do. If you look at the back here, this is where we're talking about the wires just bent round to pull the branches down. And then there, it's just a mass. So what we'll do now is, like I say, get the wire off, take off what we don't want, get some wire on, then we'll come back and clean all the bark up. see, we'll give it a rough prune. We've left on what we want just to add a bit branch placement into it. We'll cut back pretty hard because it's got loads of new shoots, so we're starting to create our own branch structure. I've missed something. Where's my cutters? I haven't cleaned that dead piece up in that. Gotta get into the tray.
This one as well. I don't know if it's okay, like. Might be okay, that.
That's not as severe as this
Yeah.
one. Can he get in? So what we're going to do now is add some wire on. Then we'll clean all this crap off the trunks. All the trays is wired in a fashion.
Well, it's better than what it was.
What I want to do is get the moss off, then we're just going to take it out and plonk it straight on the slab. So we'll make sure I have a bit play with the moss. Trunks are soaking, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look, that one is damp all the way up there. So we're getting it onto the slab. That was a little thing, wasn't it?
Oh yes.
So what we're going to do now is, I've got acadama dust, Curio dust, and all the fine stuff in there. We're going to add some soil and a load of water and make a load of paste as Kato, and we'll go around the tree by the forest planting. What we've done was we raked the roots out because we're just going round and round. So we'll make some Kato, get it splattered onto here to fill the slab out. Then we'll just add a bit of shape into the trees. Mike likes the dirty work, so he's onto it. So the Kato is done. Right, copy off. What we're going to do is just pat it onto the slab. It's like a cake mix, yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Don't say that too loud, though. The women will have a spoon of cakes, man.
They'll win it, like. What there?
Don't kid yourself. We all know women always wear the trousers.
Might in your house.
Did you in yours?
I when they got out.
This is why you hide here so much.
That's why I've got my little escape room, right? So it's time just to put a little bit basic branch placement into it. Then we'll let it grow and revisit it back in the winter. This one here is crossing this trunk. This branch is too long, which I don't like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna chop it off. But I want to keep the wire. See, we might get some pop on there. I'll pull that up there. Better, isn't it?
Better. Should be able to see that back trees now as well, can you?
You can now, aye.
All I'm going to say is put the scissors down.
You know me too well, you. Don't you?
Oh yes.
Right, that's it.
What have I just told you?
I'm putting them down. I'm putting them down. That's in line, but there's nothing we can do with that. No,
Just which one?
just leave it, because we're anchored onto it. Mud pie. As Scott Wynyard said, redwood or deadwood. But like I said, we're getting it out of the pot onto the slab. Cleaned it up a canny bit compared to what it was. The branch placement is not the best. We're going to lose this. A lot of growth come, and then we can select better in the winter once the new branch is hard enough. But definitely looks a lot better than what it was. So all I do now is I'll just put it on the bench and let it grow for this season.
Hopefully get moss on it.
And might get some moss over the Kato, my homemade Kato. So that's it for this redwood forest, Don Redwood. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, And if you haven't, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
Ta-ra, folks.
Ta-da, folks.